Alright, Vanilla Rain here, and I'm with my little brother, Little Rain. And we're playing Marvel vs. Capcom 3.
Hi.
Alright, Benji.
Okay then.
Alright, Little Rain. It's time we go fight. You got hit start on your controller.
Oh.
Alright, Benji, pick your character.
I'm going random. Oh, random.
Oh, you want to go random? I'll go random too.
Just to be fair.
So I got Wolverine, Zero, and MODOK, and he has Morgan, Dormammu, and Wesker. Wesker from Resident Evil 5. Huh. Who knew? Okay, so we're gonna go random. Since we did random characters, we're also gonna pick a random stage.
The fight is on.
By the way, if you're wondering if there's no music, I just turned it off, mostly because you need to hear me.
Learn your place.
By the way, we haven't played in a while, so we don't know where our moves are.
Oh, I didn't know. Wait, how do you do your special attack?
I don't remember.
Oh crap.
Oh yeah, I used the left or right trigger. I think it was it.
What?
Left trigger, right trigger?
I'm just pressing random buttons.
Yes.
Oh!
Ah.
Oh! I'm charging up! Eat this! Oh! Oh! I'm raged out and I'm slashing hacking.
Player one wins. Get out of here. We're done.
Lorraine, you alright?
I'm just looking at this screen like so.
Oh my god, MODOK looks weird.
Yeah.
Let's pick different characters. You know, I got an idea. Okay, we both have to pick characters we're not familiar with.
Okay.
Welcome to Marvel versus
So, they have to be characters we're not familiar with this time.
Okay.
Lay claim to your glorious victory.
I'm not used to him.
I've never played as Thor before. Nor have I ever played as,
Wait, where's the guy?
what guy?
I'm trying to look. There he is. There he is.
You're not supposed to, you're talking about Chris. I thought you were talking about Wesker, because you know
No, I'm
Wesker.
talking about him.
Oh, Hagar.
Yeah.
Let's see, I've never ever played, I don't think I've ever played as Magneto before. And we gotta pick one more character. I've never played as Iron Man before, but,
I never played that. Dawn. Okay. Dawn.
have I ever played as Super Skrull? No, I think I have. Let's see, what character have I never done? I've never played as Spider-Man.
Really? I played Spider-Man all the time.
Okay, so let's go to the danger room.
Training stage. Fight it out. Now you face the god of thunder. Sir Arthur is ready to do battle.
He wants in his underwear and he gets in his suit.
That's weird.
I know. I don't like that.
Eat my hammer. Come on, Mjolnir. Oh! You can't defeat the son of Odin. Or his hammer, Mjolnir.
Yeah!
By the power of Odin, I smite thee.
Oh my god. Where's my hammer? No, where's my walk? Oh.
Oh God, you're wasting me. Whoa!
Yeah! I'm just pressing random buttons. You're gonna kill me. Oh crap. No. I thought you said you're out of here, huh?
What? Take that.
So we have 2-2-2. 2 versus 2.
You can't defeat me, I'm Spider-Man. I just threw you.
You threw me across. Where are you? Did you leave it? No?
Oh, I just kicked you out. Oh yeah? You can't defeat Magneto. I'll turn. Oh yeah, I got Magneto. He control. You wanna know what's good about Magneto? He controls metal. Eat it. He has the ability to manipulate metal.
Oh, I don't like that one. He gets big and he doesn't even...
Oh yeah, how about this? What the?
I was like looking at you and when I did it.
Oh crud.
Yes!
I tried to block that.
Where are you?
Why do you have a flamethrower?
I have it in my mouth.
Now I'm mad and I'm red. Crawler assault!
I was so close to kill you.
Look how much time was left. There was like 5 seconds.
Yeah, show off. Now we have to pick the most. We have
We have to pick the characters that we know the most.
Yeah. I think I'm going with you.
You're not copying me.
I'm going with the dog.
That's I'm a Tarasu.
No.
I picked Dante.
Dang it! Wait, where am I? Oh. going with the
And
dog.
the last person I'm gonna pick would be Trish.
I was about to go with Rascal.
Hey, you can pick Wesker if you want. Oh, you're gonna? Who you gonna go with? Wolverine too? Sometimes I think that X-23 is actually Wolverine's like female clone or like daughters. I don't know. There's something about her. I mean, her claws. Let's go to the Daily Bugle.
Aww, I want to be Spider-Man.
Come out on top.
There will be no There will be no home field advantage. None at all.
It's so weird would have that dog like face down, like yawn. Then wait, how can they jump so hard?
I don't know. What the heck?
Ha!
Oh, you hit the start button.
I'm just pressing in a button.
Eat my sword.
I'm over here now. I'm over here.
Huh. Oh yeah? Guns blazing.
Jackpot.
You missed out the last one.
Ah, no. What?
I had one more hit left.
I finished you off. You didn't. Oh, it's Wesker versus Chris. We're playing Resident Evil now. Now this is true Resident Evil. Who's gonna win? Oh yeah!
Oh god. No.
Stop hitting start.
I'm just pressing in the button.
I'm mad.
Oh, I hate when this happens. When you press that button, because
Oh yeah?
when you hit them, you'll have like.
Looks like I'm the winner of between Wesker and whoever. Oh, let's have a women's match. Yeah. You do realize you have your superpower, right?
What?
Look at the level bar. Oh, how'd you like that gun to the face? Ooh. Oh yeah? What's her power?
Jackpot.
Gang!
I think I worked up a sweat there.
Oh, she pulled out sunglasses. Aren't you a bold one? How long? Alright, I got an idea.
Now we have to go with one random one.
No. We have to pick the same characters.
Okay, let's pick.
The third chapter.
Let's pick Dante.
And then Wesker. And yeah, pick Wesker. And then let's see. I think we're gonna have to go with
Trish?
no, not Trish. Chris.
Chris?
Yeah, right up here.
Oh, what?
Okay, so we're going to not the Tricelab. Should we go there? I have no idea.
That was me. I skipped one.
Shield helicarrier.
No.
The fight is on.
This is a mirror match.
I like flipped over, so.
This is a mirror
Let's
match.
get this over with.
I'm the real Dante.
But brother.